This is a story when I thought I was about to die in South Korea. I'm still being reminded about this story, and I thought, you know what, let me tell it with my own breath. 3 days into my trip in South Korea, and the most craziest thing happened. I nearly died. I laugh at this story because I'm alive, I guess. I don't know. I don't really know. So it was a night of adventures. So it was, I think, roughly on a Tuesday night. We wanted to have a little pop some bottles, try the nightlife, the scenery, see what South Korea is doing. So we wanted to be part of it. And I wanted to be with the two particular ladies that I was with and another lady that I met out there. So it was a night of partying, discoing, and lots of goodies, right? My friend texted me and I was like, oh, yes, I forgot. People in this country party to 8 p.m. And I was like, I'm here for it. I'm gonna do it. I'm going to experience everything, right? I'm gonna do it. I'm excited for it. I'm here for it. I'm part of it. I'm clubbing. I'm dancing. I'm going to bars. I don't remember where I was going. Bars. And I was the type of girl back then which water was not my friend. And I didn't drink enough of it. I didn't want to drink enough of it. I didn't even want to drink it. I should say, no, I don't drink alcohol, but it's not because of that story, but it's because, what's the point? I don't understand it. I just don't drink it anymore. So, I was drinking a lot of alcohol. Hello, boom, boom, boom. My friend's buying, I'm buying. It's so cheap. Ooh la la. And yeah, so we drank some. And then my friend messaged me, ooh la la, I'm in a bar, come with. And I'm like, bruh, I don't know how people text so clearly, and then when I see you, you're intoxicated. How did you do that? Right, I'm in the bar now, and it's roughly 5:30 a.m. in the morning. It's 5:30 a.m. in the morning, and I'm so thirsty. I literally became a sponge. At this time, we were out of the bar. That's why I couldn't get a drink or water. And I thought we were going home. My friend suggested when I'm in holiday, I have to get Korean barbecue. And I was like, okay, well, let me try Korean barbecue in actual Korea. So let me do it. Before we go to the restaurant, let me get water. Can someone tell me where is the nearest convenience store? And I was with 3 people at this time. 3 ladies. My friends were like, don't worry, like, we're going to like get water at the restaurant. I was like, yes, you are right. I'm going to get water at the restaurant, but I'm so thirsty. I want to go to get water right now. When I was walking down the street, there was nothing there. I was like, where is this restaurant? It felt 2 steps felt like 4 hours. A 4 hours walk. I'm not exaggerating, but it really did. When you're thirsty and your senses are tense and you don't want to disturb your friends because of this stupid reason that you're thirsty. We were at the restaurant. The waiter comes out and he goes, can you please stand outside? We are very busy, and could you wait at the queue? Can you make a queue and wait? And we were like, yeah. So we did. I was pacing up and down into the restaurant, like, I'm so thirsty. I can't do this. I need to get out of here. Trust me guys, there's more to the story than being thirsty, I promise you. But I was pacing up and down for this water. I was like, where is the nearest water, and in the corner of my eyes, I saw empty water bottles. And I mean 20 of them. Empty, boom, boom, boom. Of those particular Korean water bottles. Everyone knows what the Korean water bottle looks like, where they put filter water in. I've been to Korean restaurants in London. I know a little bit. Right? One sitting far from the rest of the empty water bottles, and I was like, that one. I'm gonna take that one. I was in my head for a second. I was like, should I take this water bottle? But it's free anyway. If I sit down, it would be free either way, and I'm a waiting customer, so I shouldn't feel that bad. I should just take it, drink outside. It should be fine, right? I didn't tell any of my friends. I literally took the water bottle, which is far from all the other water bottles. I took it and I ran outside in the queue, but my friends seemed to not take notice of what I was doing. I sat on this bench outside the restaurant, and I got up and I gurgled half of this so-called water. Yeah. And in the last drop, it hit the back of my throat, and it was pain. It was sore, like reaching fire. It was burning, right? And when I burped, it was like a bubble. It was like a taste of a very liquid bubble, like the kind of reaction I got from drinking that water. When I drank the water, I was like, in my head for a second, I was like, should I tell my friends that I drank something that I don't think it's water? Oh, shut up. My friends were like, what? Other one was like laughing, and I was like, really? You're gonna laugh at me right now? That's not the time to be laughing. I know I did something crazy, but don't laugh at me right now. You're gonna be fine. I just drank very liquid. I just drank something. I can't even go to a pharmacy and say, I just drank some very liquid and also some cleaning spray, and what can you do to it? Yeah, it's kind of common, but it's not that common. And I sat on my bed on the top of it. Let me proceed to make some voice notes to my parents about I'm about to die and about to say, I love you, mother. But I didn't say that. Actually, I was like, I drank something I'm not supposed to drink, and I just wanted to say, no, I love you. And if I'm going about to sleep, if I wake up, I don't know what's gonna happen. So I literally went to bed, and I think I slept for the longest time I could ever imagine. The longest time. No, I woke up feeling amazing. I looked at and then I thought for a second, wait, did I text my mom I'm about to die in another country? Oh no. I quickly rushed to find my phone. Can't believe at this time you can't find your phone. That's a bit dramatic. Anyway, so I found my phone, and I'm not joking. I was like, oh my gosh, I have scared many people. So I got 21 missed calls from my mom.